Hello and welcome back to Jazzy61. Today's video is a relaxing nighttime clean with me. If you're new here, hello. Again, my name is Jazz. I do everything motherhood, lifestyle, and a little bit of beauty here and there. I post every Monday and Friday at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I would love it if you would join the family and go ahead and subscribe before you leave today. Please come back and check out some more of my videos, you guys. I would greatly appreciate it. And to my returning subscribers, hello, you guys, and welcome back. I want to show you guys what I go through at the end of every single day to reset for the next one, and also to give you guys a little bit of nighttime cleaning motivation if this is something that you have to do and you're just dreading getting it done. So please go ahead, sit back and relax and enjoy this nighttime cleaning motivation. So my nighttime routine usually consists of only the main area of the house where we spend most of our time, the kitchen, the dining room, and our family room. So this is where I'm going to do most of my cleaning today, you guys. It's a bit much at times, but it's worth it to wake up in the morning to a freshly cleaned house and not have to do anything but get my day started. So I'm going to start here in the living room, just picking up my son's toys before I move over into the kitchen and the dining area, which is going to be pretty much what I do normally. At some point, my little man is going to pop out. He was taking his bath at this moment, but he's going to pop out and run into the kitchen to help me with the dishes as he always does. So I want to show you guys my routine, show you guys the mess. This is my real everyday mess, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know in the comments down below if this is something that you would like to see more of, and I'll make sure to get those videos out for you guys. So now I'm going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy the cleaning motivation. So I have completed my nighttime routine, you guys. I cleaned my kitchen, my dining room, and our living area. That one big space is the area that I focus on every single night because it's where we spend all of our time. That's where all the crumbs and everything get wasted. So thank you guys so much for spending this evening with me and taking your time to watch this relaxing nighttime clean with me. I hope it motivated you guys. I hope it gets you guys get up to do it for yourselves. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.